Hello and welcome back to Casey Reviews. Today we are taking a look at the Dregs issue number 1. Now says it's a crime story told in 4 parts, so this might be just like the Rift where you only get 4 of these. It's made by Black Mask, and there you go, some riders. Really liking the cover art. Here's the back, a little just advertisement for space riders. Alright, the Dregs. Here's your writing team. Publishers. Now, what is this about? Now, it takes place in Vancouver. As you can see, the first page. Really nice art depicting where it came from, where it is, and where it's going. And then it opens up with this man just being murdered. They shave his head, take out all his teeth, and then, decapitation. And they grind him up into sausage. As you can see, he's served in a sausage, and it looks like he's served right here into this restaurant. This was actually a preview. I think I had read it in the Rift, issue 1. And so I didn't know what to expect, and I actually had not picked it up when it had come out a couple weeks ago. But when I heard this one, and especially number 2 I heard is really good, I was like, I better check that out and see what's going on. And after that goes into homeless people. There's a huge homeless population, and right here he's going to be like your homeless Batman. It's pretty much what he is. He's like a detective going around the city trying to figure out what happened to his friend. And nobody knows where his friend went. Obviously, his friend's the one that got cut up, made into sausage in the beginning. And so, he, like I said, he goes through the whole city trying to figure out where he went. And it leads him to some places that, you don't want to be at. So without spoiling too much, is it worth a shot at reading? I would say yes. I would give this one probably a B-. So it's worth a shot, it's worth a read. Now, if you don't want to be spoiled, I would stop there, because we are going to talk spoilers. But like I said, check it out. It's a B-. It's just something kind of kooky and fun. Check it out. Alright, so spoiler alert. Obviously, he goes into detective mode, and he finds out this is where his friend was living. Now it's gone. And this lady shows up, and it's kind of weird. But he starts noticing all this development application, and she's just like a ghost. She must be one of the developers. So he goes to this town meeting, and they're talking about how good the development is and how, we didn't displace anyone. And he's like, bullshit, you stole my friend's house. Where is he? Where's he gone? And he's gone kind of kooky on this guy. He gets kicked out. Doesn't look very good, and he starts taking more drugs. But he starts making a map. Let's see, where did it go? Right here. He makes a map of all these different lots or different construction sites, and as you can see, it makes a triangle in the circle. So he thinks that's kind of odd, and he's going around noticing more eviction notices and all this and that. So he's like, what are they doing? And he finds this lady who has a strange note that he knew, and he kind of just thinks it was a suicide. So he does some more drugs, and that's when he ends up in the surgeon's area where they might try to eat him. So we'll find out in issue 2, because I do have issue 2. But yeah, until next time, I'm gonna give the Dregs issue 1 a B minus. I think with a lot of the comics coming to an end, at least hopefully just temporary. Obviously, Glitter Bomb has not been released since December. Moonshine just ended issue 6, which ended volume 1, book 1. And then the Rift coming to an end. We're going to need some comics to fill the void, and, things like the Dregs or Underwinter or